How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this 2013 Audi A4. I'm gonna do a little maintenance wash at the beginning. Probably I'm gonna use clay bar. I had to check the car, see how it looks. Then I'm gonna use this product. I haven't used it before, iron remover. I'm gonna use this product to remove any contaminants on the paint. After all that, I'm gonna do my hybrid ceramic wax. On top it off, we're gonna use the hybrid ceramic liquid wax. That's gonna be in another episode, but for this episode my main concern is to clean the paint. Once I remove everything from the paint with this product, we're gonna use the ceramic wax. And Meguiar doesn't pay me for this. Maintenance wash first, and then we're gonna clean the paint. Paint doesn't feel really bad, but it has a lot of contaminant, so that's why I like to do a maintenance wash first. Now I'm gonna use my iron removing spray clay. I'm not gonna use a clay bar. I'm just gonna use this product, try to clean all the paint. In case that I have to use clay bar, I'm just gonna use on the spots that the car needs. Probably on the bottom and on the back, on the front of course. So I'm gonna inspect my paint, see how it looks. I'm gonna use this only because if I use clay bar I need to polish the car. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna have this car for a short period of time, so I'm gonna inspect the paint and start using this. By touching the paint I can tell that it's really contaminated. You can feel all the rough spots on it. So let me use my iron removing and see what it does. You can use a microfiber mitt for this process, but I can tell it's removing all the contaminants from the paint already. Make sure that you wear gloves for this. Avoid the trim and the glass. So I'm just gonna try to do the paint. It's supposed to turn purple when it removes all the contaminants. Yeah, it feels a lot better now. So I don't wanna use clay bar. I prefer to do it like that by hand or with my microfiber mitt. So I'm gonna spray the whole car, removing all the contaminants from it, and then we wanna use hybrid ceramic wax. Paint feels a lot better already. On parts like this trunk, probably gonna have to use clay bar. Has a lot of contaminants on it. I have here the Meguiar clay bar kit, so I'm gonna use just a little bit on these portions where contamination is really heavy. Lubrication is key when you use clay bar. Make sure that you don't scratch that paint. And it turns a little bit purple, probably you won't see it in camera, but the contamination on this paint is severe. I don't know how well you can see on the paint, but all that is purple in there, and it was a lot of contamination in here. You can see some pigments of purple, removing all the iron from the paint. You can see all that right there. Hopefully you can see it in camera, but all that is turning purple. Probably you can see it better right here. Probably you won't see a lot on this paint work, but if you can see right there, everything is purple, especially on the back. It's a lot of contamination, of course, especially here, door handles, gas cap, all that contamination. So paintwork feels a lot better now. I'm going to give it a wash so we can move to the next step. Now if you can see here on the hood, there is no protection on the paint, no water sheeting, no water beading. I'm going to apply some hybrid ceramic wax. First layer is gonna be a heavy layer. Then we can spray it, couple sprays on the panels, and then rinse it off with water to activate the product. First layer is gonna be a heavy layer. Make sure that you work the product into the paint. Now that you apply the product into the paint, we want to buff it off with a clean, dry microfiber towel. This paint is really rough. It's a lot better now, shines a lot better, but you can see a lot of water spots into it, and it definitely needs a polish. But like I said before, this car is not gonna be with me for a long time, so I'm gonna try to do some protection in the paint at least. But shine is really good with this product. Super slick now. I'm gonna let this product cure for the first application, and then we're gonna do a second application later on. Okay guys, first layer is done throughout the whole car. Paint looks a lot better, shinier. But now we're gonna do the second layer. Let's see the water beading and water sheeting on the paint now. You see the water sheeting, not a lot of water beading, but you can see the sheeting. Paint work changed a lot with this product. So next step is just putting some sprays, not a lot, but we're gonna put the second layer. That will be enough. Rinse it off. And that's gonna activate the product. Car is done. You can see the paint work a little bit better. So guys, I leave you with that for this episode. Iron removing, spray clay, and hybrid ceramic wax. I'm gonna put the link on the description for these products so you can go and check them out. The application is really simple, really easy, and you can see on the paintwork, makes a lot of difference. Stay tuned for a few more episodes on this Audi A4 2013. Really good car, but paint is in really bad condition. So we're gonna try to bring it back to life. I'm not gonna do a polish because that takes time, and I'm not gonna have this car for a very long time. So I hope you like this little episode. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.